This is the new HyperX MKW100 mechanical keyboard, the latest addition to the HyperX keyboard family. Now, is it any good? How the keys feel like? Should you buy this or something else? Well, all that has to be covered by a tech YouTuber, and who else do this job better than me? Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on this keyboard, you can head to the first link in the description below. First off, HyperX entered budget gaming keyboard with their alloy core RGB, which has a membrane keyboard for $50, and now they have reduced the price to $30 to make room for this one, the MKW100. Now this is for $50 in the US and quite expensive, 7,390 rupees in India. But what do we get inside the box? Well, inside the package we get keyboard, some documents, user manual, and a wrist rest. That's nice. For the design and material wise, it has aluminum body with brushed aluminum look. Base is made out of plastic, which is expected at this price, but overall the keyboard itself feels solid. It doesn't flex at all. We have a touch of RGB lights all over the keyboard, and these are fully customizable from the HyperX Ingenuity, I don't know how to pronounce it, from their app. Unfortunately, the app is only for the Windows and there is no app for the Mac ecosystem. But here on the app, we can take control over the RGB. We get 6 presets: rainbow, stacking, solid, breathing, cycle, and paint. We can change the parameters if we like, plus we can make a preset and save them, or we can link them with games so it will automatically change the profile at launch. Now the keyboard is not compatible with the light sync with your other devices, but it does support PS and Xbox, so you can use it with your consoles. Now you don't need an app to control the RGB, you can do all that from the keyboard itself. Use the function key to change things like presets, brightness, gaming mode, which will disable the Windows key. Now we don't get any dedicated media keys, but we can control these things with the help of function key. Nice thing is that the function key is on the right side and all the controls are within the reach, so we can deploy those commands single-handed. Talking about the overall ergonomics of the keyboard itself, it is quite comfortable, but if you like, you can attach the included wrist rest. The keyboard itself is slim, and like any other keyboard, we get feet to raise it up a bit. Let's talk about switches. So here on the HyperX MKW100 we get red linear switches, which are quite decent. Before this I was using Razer Black Widow X Chroma, so it took me a while to get used to the red switches, but now I enjoy using this keyboard. I have tested this on multiple games like Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, and they all felt great. I mean, it's a great keyboard for gaming, but not so much for typing. For typing I would pick Cherry Brown switches or HyperX Aqua switches. It's sad to see that this keyboard is only available in red switches, so you can't pick those switches. Anyways, the keys are dustproof and anti-ghosting and some other features that I will annotate above. Let's do a quick sound test, because without it, any keyboard video is incomplete. So overall, in my opinion, HyperX MKW100 is a great budget gaming keyboard. If you are just starting out or you don't want to spend too much on a gaming keyboard, then you can definitely pick this up, and to get the best deals, you can check the link in the description where you might be able to save a couple of bucks. Now, this statement was for the people in the US and other parts of the world. For India, I would like to say something else. That is, this is a good keyboard for starters, but in my opinion, it doesn't justify the price. I mean, it's a good keyboard, but it is quite expensive for 7,390 rupees, which is a lot of money. It's not a budget gaming keyboard. You can get like a premium keyboard at this price, like from something like Razer or Corsair. I think buying HyperX Alloy Origin, so you'll be better off picking something else. But that's been it for today. Again, links are down below, and I will meet you this Wednesday, 7 p.m. Yeah, I started uploading 2 videos a week. So set your reminders, or you can subscribe and turn on notifications. Yeah, that would be better. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.